Good morning. Chapter 12, Janpadas and the Mahajanpadas, 600 to 100 BC. In the earlier chapter, we have studied about the Vedic civilization and the social and political life of the people. The society at that time was advanced. Town, city, and even kingdoms or Janpadas had come up towards the later Vedic period. In this chapter, we shall study about Janpads and Mahajanpadas that existence around 600 BCE in India. The scripts of Buddhism, Jainism, and the traditional literatures, Purans, are the source of our information. A region inhabited by a tribe or janas was called Janpadas. Literally, the words Janpada means the land where Jana set its foot. Gandhar, modern Afghanistan, Kuru, Panchal, Videh, located in Uttar Pradesh and Bihar, were some of the Janpadas. In the beginning, people belonged to same tribe inhabited as Janpadas, but with the expansions of their territories through conquest, they come to be known as Mahajanpadas. Magad, Vats, Avanti, Kaushal, Matsya, Anga, Kashi were some of the important and strong Mahajanpads. The Magad emerged as the most powerful Mahajanpad as it conquered the territory of other Mahajanpad. Matrimonial alliance with daughters of other rulers was also a step towards expanding power. All these Mahajanpads later become part of the Magad Empire. There were a few kingdoms where the rulers were chosen by the people of the kingdom. These kingdoms were known as Ghanashangas. The office of the ruler was not hereditary. Some of the important Ghanashangas were Lichvi of Vaisali, Shakyas of Kapilvastu, Viji of Mithila, Malayas of Pava, Kushinagar. There was an assembly in each republic. It made law. The Raja or king was its head. Do you know? Mahatma Buddha was born in the Shakya Ghanashanga or republic. Important rulers, important rulers of Magadha Empire. Bimbisar, 542 से 492 BC. He was an intelligent and far-sighted ruler. Not only did he extend his empire, but also had an efficient administrator. He never tolerated any inefficient officials. He consulted the village headman Gramini for administrating the village. Bimbisar's capital was Rajgir, Rajgir, near Patna, Bihar. Do you know? An empire is much larger than a kingdom and need a big army to protect it. After Bimbisar, Ajatsatru 492 से to 460 BCE. The second Magad king established his capital Patliputra in the village Patli on the bank of river Ganga. He annexed Kaushal, Kashi and Vaisali and extended his empire. He built a fort to keep a watch over Lichvi rulers to the north of the river Ganga. Ajatsatru was deeply influenced by Buddhism and Jainism. Drash- Drashak 460 to 444 BCE, according to Purans, he became the king of Magad after the death of Ajatsatru. Two important dynasties, Sri Shunga's and Nanda's ruler, the Magad. Afterwards, Magad attained a very prestigious position under the Nandas. They extended the territory of Magad further. The last king of Nanda dynasty was Ghanananda. He ruled from 345 BC to 322 BC. Administration. The king was the supreme head of the state. He became very strong and enjoyed vast powers. He was also the head of the army and led the war. He was regarded as a god among his people. There were many officials to assist him in discharging his duty. The officials were called Mahatma Das. They performed the function of the ministry, mantris. The other important officials were Senanayak, chief of the army, Sangrahati, treasurer, Purohit, priest, Gramini, head of the village. Ayuktas performed the similar function at the state levels. The selection of official was made by the council in the republic. The minister played very important role in the administration. The king had a powerful and disciplined army comprising of infantry, cavalry, war elephants and chariots. Social condition at that time. The society was based on one system, Brahman, Kshatriya, Vaishya, and Shudra, which formed the foundation of the society. Kshatriya were considered better than the Brahmins. Vaishya were called Grihapatis, who follow agriculture, cattle rearing, and trade. The duty of Sudras was to serve the other three classes of the people. The one were based on birth and not on a work. The family was considered to be an important unit of the society. The women occupied a prestigious place in the society. They study Vedas and their education was given importance. There were perhaps some tribes which were considered untouchables. Religion. The rigidity of one system and the strict rituals made the people drift away from Brahmanism and Hinduism. Buddhism and Jainism become popular during this time as they disgraced any types of casteism and rituals. Economic condition of that time. The use of iron brought a radical change in the life of people of Magad. The main occupation of the people were cattle rearing and agriculture. The tiller was considered to be the owner of the land that we cultivated. The land revenue was charged from 1/12 to 1/6 of the total produce of the year, known as bhag, share. Their main crops were wheat, cotton, rice, and sugarcane. They usually produced three crops in a year. There were many other professions like jewelry making, weaving, carpentry, pottery, etc. The trade and craft were also well developed. People of different vocations had their own organization, which were called as guilds. Each guild had its own head known as shernis. The traders had to pay taxes to the king. There was the well regulated money system. Introductions of coins helped in the growth of trade. The coins were made of copper and silver. The coin were known as पंचमार्क. कॉइन पे पंचमार्क रहता था. ये देखो आप यहाँ पे आपके पिक्चर दी हुई है, पंचमार्क की पिक्चर दी हुई है. हाँ, नाउ coins they were punched with the symbol of sun, moon, tree, mountain, etc. Magad had a well developed external and internal trade. Some of the important towns, Pura, Nagaras, large town, Mahanagaras, during this period were Champa, Bihar, Rajgir, Bihar, Shravasti district Gonda in UP, Kaushambi district Allahabad in UP, Varanasi UP, Vaishali Bihar, Mithila Bihar and Nepal border, Ayodhya district Faizabad in UP, Ujjaini MP, etc. Some of the famous ports were Tamra Parvu, Sri Lanka, Shuprik, Chopra, Brigu, Kutch, Boroj, and Patil. A Magad, a successful empire. There were a number of reasons for a success of Magad, present day Bihar. Likely, advantage of geographical position, as Ganga and its tributaries provide a chief means of transportation. Agriculture was widespread and productivity. Besides, iron mines were in abundance for tools and weapons. Elephant and important components of military were found in the forests of the empire. It had two capitals, Rajgir and Patliputra, headed by efficient and far-sighted rulers like Bimbisar, Ajasatru, an efficient military and civil administration, efficient money system, harmonious social structure, and well-constructed bridges and roads made Magad first amongst the 16 Mahajanpad of that period. Okay, children, thank you.